Hello guys, welcome back to Recipe channel, your connections to China. But first, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Well, in today's episode, we are going to have a hands-on on the new Xiaomi 12S Ultra, so stay tuned. So here it is guys, the new Xiaomi 12S Ultra. This is the unit itself, and this is the selfie camera, which is located in the middle, and this is the front face of the phone. Now if you flip it over, you will see the big circular camera of this phone that resembles or mimic like the DSLR camera lens. The Xiaomi 12S Ultra has the world's largest smartphone camera sensor. It has a 1-inch sensor into its chassis, and in doing so, beat Samsung to the punch. The new Xiaomi 12S Ultra include a top-of-the-line processor in the form of the first-gen Snapdragon 8 Plus, which Xiaomi says will mean reduced power consumption as well as lower heat emissions. There's a 4680 mAh battery powering the phone, which relies on 6 to 7 watts fast charging for replenishment. There are also 2 custom surge chips for the battery management. So here's another overall look of the phone. So that's the front side, the left side, which doesn't have any features, the bottom part, and the right side of the phone, plus the top side of the phone. So let's tap the setting and let's check out more information, and let's see what other specs does it have. Let's tap my device and we could see that it runs on MUI 13 and Android 12. So here's the full specs of the phone guys. Check it out. Now let's take a look and browse on its camera. So the camera features a lot of options, such as documents if you want to scan a document using this phone, and it has a pro mode which you can customize it, video mode, photo mode, portrait mode, night mode, and more. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. 再见，拜拜。